Homeowners in Des Allemands, Louisiana, know the importance of maintaining both comfort and curb appeal. With its humid climate, frequent storms, and beautiful bayou surroundings, every detail of a property matters, especially the windows. If you're looking to enhance your home's value and make it more attractive to buyers, window replacement is one of the smartest investments you can make. A smart investment with visible returns. When potential buyers evaluate a home, they pay close attention to the condition of the windows. New, energy-efficient windows instantly signal that the property has been well cared for and updated. According to real estate professionals, homeowners can expect to recoup a large portion of their window replacement costs in resale value, often between 70% and 80%. Beyond numbers, new windows also give a home a refreshed, modern look that can increase buyer interest and speed up the sale process. In Des Allemands, where sunlight and humidity can take a toll on older wooden frames, replacing worn-out windows also helps prevent future structural issues such as rot, leaks, and warping, factors that can negatively affect your home's appraisal value. Energy efficiency pays off. New windows aren't just about looks, they deliver measurable energy savings. Replacing outdated single-pane windows with double-pane or energy-efficient models can significantly reduce the need for heating and cooling. During hot Louisiana summers, high-performance glass keeps cool air inside and blocks out excess heat. In cooler months, they help retain warmth. This improvement in energy efficiency directly lowers monthly utility bills, a selling point that appeals to eco-conscious buyers and anyone seeking a cost-effective home. Homes in Des Allemands that feature Energy Star-rated windows are often listed at higher prices because they promise ongoing savings, a major advantage in today's housing market. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Living in Des Allemands means enjoying the peaceful charm of small-town Louisiana, but nearby traffic, lawn equipment, and humidity can sometimes disrupt indoor tranquility. Modern replacement windows feature insulated frames and laminated glass, which not only improve temperature control but also minimize outside noise. This enhanced comfort adds a layer of luxury that potential buyers immediately notice during a home tour. A quiet, well-insulated home feels newer, more relaxing, and better built, three factors that influence property value. Boosting curb appeal and first impressions. First impressions matter in real estate, and windows play a major role in defining your home's exterior. Whether your property has a classic Southern charm or a modern design, new windows instantly upgrade its appearance. Homeowners in Des Allemands often choose vinyl, composite, or fiberglass windows that blend durability with style, offering clean lines and low maintenance. Paired with fresh trim or shutters, replacement windows can transform an ordinary facade into a standout feature. The visual appeal attracts buyers from the moment they pull up to the driveway, setting the tone for a positive viewing experience. Protection against Louisiana's climate. Des Allemands homeowners face unique weather challenges, from heavy rain to high humidity. Modern window technologies include impact-resistant glass and advanced sealing systems that provide superior protection against moisture infiltration and storm damage. These features not only protect your home but also reduce insurance costs, a detail savvy buyers appreciate. A home equipped with durable, storm-ready windows communicates safety, reliability, and preparedness, which are valuable selling points in any local market. The local touch matters. Working with a local window replacement company ensures that your new installations meet Des Allemands' specific climate demands and aesthetic preferences. Local experts understand regional building codes, provide faster service, and can recommend the best materials to withstand Louisiana's unique conditions. Homebuyers trust properties that show local craftsmanship and attention to detail, qualities that contribute to higher resale value and stronger community appeal. Final thoughts. Window replacement is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment that boosts energy efficiency, improves comfort, strengthens storm protection, and elevates your home's overall worth. In a charming community like Des Allemands, where curb appeal and comfort define the Southern lifestyle, installing new windows can help you stand out in the real estate market and enjoy a more beautiful, valuable home.